Good morning, everyone. Today, let's identify the difference between the geocentric and heliocentric model. Geocentric: the Earth is at the center of the universe with the Sun, planets, moon, and stars orbiting it. This model was introduced by ancient Greek philosophers, was widely accepted for nearly 2,000 years. However, it struggled to explain complex planetary motions, and the heliocentric model is the sun is at the center of the universe. With this model was proposed by Nicolaus Copernicus and later supported by Galileo Galilei and Johannes Kepler. The heliocentric model simplified the explanation of planetary motion and allowed for elliptical orbits. The main difference between the geocentric and heliocentric model of the universe is the location of the center and the placement of the Earth and the Sun in the universe. Thank you.